Hey there! Welcome to our tutorial on how to reply to a message in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your chat list and open the group chat where you want to reply to a message. Now right-click on the message that you want to reply to. A menu will pop up with different options, including the option to reply. Click on Reply to start typing your response. Type in your reply, and once you're done, click on the blue arrow icon, the Telegram Send button, to send the message. Your reply will then be sent as a response to the original message. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a message in Telegram on your PC. It's a quick and easy way to keep the conversation going in your group chats. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Telegram.